Personal injury accidents don't just happen. Every accident is caused by something. Uneven sidewalks, wires or hoses across walkways, damaged stair treads. If you've been injured by a fall on a rental or business property, or if you're an attorney representing a personal injury case, you need a professional inspection with documentation of the actual cause of the accident. Galloway Building Services provides property inspections that go beyond OSHA and ADA standards. We find the little things that are the cause of most personal injury accidents that these standards don't require. Galloway Building Services provides you with a detailed inspection report, including pictures and code violations, and provides expert testimony in court if required. Call 636-394-3112 today to discuss your needs. Don't delay. Call 636-394-3112 now or go to GallowayBuildingServices.com for more information.